Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video you will learn how you can send your business quotations to your customers on their WhatsApps automatically. So guys, here we have taken the example of a security service, and let's suppose that you have a security service or any kind of business like that, and you have a website, and in that website you have attached an inquiry form. So as and when any customer is going to inquire about your services, you want to send your quotation to that customer on the WhatsApp. But doing this manually can be really time taking and a repetitive process. So we have an automation for you which is going to do it for you automatically. So you can see now on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we have used Elementor plugin of WordPress to create an inquiry form. You can use any other form building application as well, like Webflow or Jotform or any other kind of form building application. And here, as and when you are going to receive any inquiry from Elementor form, a quotation will be delivered to the person who has inquired automatically on his or her WhatsApp. So you do not need to manually sort out the details of the person who have inquired, and you not have to manually send the messages. So it will save your time, your manual efforts, and you can focus on other productive aspects of your business. And to make this happen, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. And guys, from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, you just have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as security service quotations on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. Alright, so this is our workflow page, so neat and clean, and here we have these two things, the trigger and the action. So we are going to build this automation with the help of these two things. So the trigger is that event which is going to make this workflow run, and the action will be the response towards the trigger. So, and as in this use case, the trigger event would be submission of an inquiry form via any lead or customer, and the action towards this trigger would be to send the quotation on WhatsApp of the person who have inquired. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose Elementor plugin as the trigger application, because we have created the inquiry form with the help of this. Okay, and the trigger event would be new form submission, right? And here it has given you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to connect with Elementor plugin, and we are going to bring the response of that connection here in this workflow. So guys, to make this connection, you just need to follow these instructions written here. You can see you can reach your website, and you have to open the editor of Elementor plugin, and then you have to add this webhook URL. Okay, so let me show you the process. You can just read the instructions and follow the steps. Okay, so this is my WordPress applications dashboard, and this is a page I have created for a security service. Okay, so you can create accordingly according to your business, you can create the page. And here I have attached an inquiry form. So you can see I have this edit with Elementor option. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and the editor will open up. Okay, like this. And here when you scroll down, you will find this form, and when you click on any of the field on this form, on the left hand side panel you will see the content section. Under the content section, when you scroll down, you will find this actions after submit option. So when you click on actions after submit, you will have this add action field. So here you have to select this webhook action. So that I have selected it already. If you want to select it, you just have to type webhook here and you have to select webhook like this. And when you select webhook here in this add action field, you will see this webhooks option available below. Okay, so click on webhooks and here you have to paste the webhook that you got in your workflow. So I have already a webhook or URL pasted. Let me remove it, and now I'm going to click on copy here. You can see our webhook URL is copied, and here you have to paste it like this. Okay, and then click on update and update your page. Alright, so you can see the page is updated. Let me open the page again. Okay, so here you can see, as I have copied the webhook URL from here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission, or we can bring the response of this connection that we have just created. So to bring the response, I am going to manually fill the form now, and I'm going to submit the form, and the data of that submission will be captured here as the test data, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so let me open my form now. So guys, this is my website page. Okay, and here I'm going to fill this form now. So let's say a demo person is filling this form, so I'm filling the name as demo name, the email ID is this, right, and the number is this. Okay, now I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the form was sent successfully. The form is submitted. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. Alright, so this is our workflow, and here you can see we have received the data like this. The name is demo name, email, phone number, alright, and the form ID is this. So that's how you can capture the test data. And now guys, I want to send a quotation of my services or my business to this person on this WhatsApp number. For this to happen, we have to connect WhatsApp here in this actions tab. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface. So to get that access, I'm going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform. So guys, before connecting the cloud API platform here, you need to connect your WhatsApp number or your business number with the cloud API. Alright, so if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description guys. We have created a dedicated video on connecting your number with the cloud API platform of WhatsApp. Alright, so do watch that, and after that you can use the cloud API feature here. So from this choose app field, just search for cloud API. Here it is selected, and the action event would be send template message. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window, if you are making the connection for the very first time with the cloud API platform, select add new connection option. Here you can give a name to this connection as well, and here it is asking for the token or the permanent access token of cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about the cloud API setup and making the connections, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you will find this video on how to set up cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. And then we have this video on generating the permanent access token for cloud API. And here we have written instructions along with screenshots to make the connection with cloud API inside Pabbly Connect in Trigger and in the action. So you can learn many things about cloud API setup from here only and follow the steps. And guys, for these three things, I can show you my cloud API setup. So guys, here you can see I am under Meta for Developers section, and here I have this WhatsApp's getting started page. Okay, so when you click on getting started, and here guys, you will find the temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So if you want to run your workflows continuously, you need to generate a permanent access token. So if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from this forum page. Here is the video on generating the permanent access token, and we have pasted the link in the description as well. From there you can also learn that. Okay, and after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also to make the connections, right? And here we have this phone number ID. So first you got the permanent token, which you have to paste here in this token field. Then you will find this phone number ID here. You can copy this and paste it here in this field like this. And similarly, you will find the business account ID, copy that and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, And after filling all the things, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp's cloud API, and this connection that you're making by this process is going to be saved in your account. All right, so if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow, you can use that same existing connection that you have already created. Guys, as I have already created many connections with my cloud API platform in different workflows previously, so I can use my existing connections. So you can see I have this select existing connection option. I just have to select this, and here it will show me the list of all the existing connections that I have. So from this list, I can choose any of my existing connection. Let's say I'm choosing this one, number 73. And now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again like this with my cloud API setup. Okay, so here's how you can connect, and here it is asking for the template's name or the message template's name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people, you need to create standard message templates inside your cloud API setup, and you have to get them approved by Facebook. And after that, you can use those templates to send messages in bulk on WhatsApp to multiple people at once automatically. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can see I have this to create your own message template. Click here, it is written here, and when you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section of cloud API setup. Here are all the message templates I have created for different reasons, and the template I am using for this purpose, for sending the my quotation to my customer, I have a template. Let me show you that. So guys, this is a message template I'm going to use for this purpose, named as send brochure final. And here, this is the name of the template, and here you can see the preview of the message. So when I'm going to use this template, this is how the message is going to look like on WhatsApp on my customer's account. All right, here you can see it is showing hello Akash. Akash is just a random name. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Connect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer. So this is a kind of standard message I have created for every of my customer, all right, who is going to inquire about my services. And in this same template, we can send a brochure here in this header section, or a quotation. Okay, so if you want to know how to create such templates, you can watch the video from the description, guys, where we have explained the creation of template and getting the approval and all the necessary things you need to know about the templates. Okay, after creation of that template, you have to select this template here. So when you click here on this template name, it will show you the list of all the templates you have. From here, search for your template. Okay, like this. Alright, and after selecting the template, the language code and the template ID will be auto populated, and here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to put the WhatsApp number of the customer to whom you want to send the message. So we got the test data of our customer who have inquired like this, and here we have received this mobile number label in which we got the number. So I'm going to map this mobile number label here in this field. So to map, just click here, and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the labels that you have received in the first step. Okay, so from here I'm going to map this mobile number label like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the header documents URL. So guys, you can see in my message template, I have this header section in which I can send a document, and I'm going to send this document, guys. Let me show you. This is a brochure or a quotation I have created for the security services. Okay, so, and I have uploaded it in my WordPress website only. So this is the link I got. So I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste this link here in this header document URL field. Okay, and now it is asking for the header document's name. So you can give a name, any name to this document. So I am giving the name as security quotation. All right, so the things that you are putting here manually are going to remain the same in the message that you are sending. But guys, there can be a few things which you can change with every new message you are going to send with the help of the template. For example, you can see in this message we have this Akash written here, Pabbly Connect is here, and the website address here. But here you can see in this body box, here we have typed the main body of the message template. We have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. So these are the variable tags or the body fields we have in our message template. This means we can change 3 things inside our message template every time we are sending the message. Okay. So we have 3 variables here which we can change automatically with every new message, like the name of the customer, your services name, and your website address. Okay. And to get this data change automatically, we need to map the values of these body fields here in our workflow. So it is asking for these body fields here. So let me map the data now from this first step only. This is the name. So when you map the data here, the labels are going to be updated automatically every time you receive a form submission. In the second body field, let's see what we want to put here. Showing your interest in. Okay, so here I'm going to put the name of my firm, which is Pabbly Securities. Okay. Okay. And here I'm going to put the website address. Okay, you can put yours. Right. And after filling all the data, you can click on save and send test request, and a test WhatsApp message will be delivered to this test number. Okay. So I'm going to put my number here now to show you the demo how the message is going to look like, but you have to map this number only. But to show you the demo, I'm going to put my number, then I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to my WhatsApp account. Let me show you the message. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and you can see I have received a new message here on WhatsApp, and you can see the message is this. So guys, this is the message I have received on WhatsApp. Here you can see it is showing the message is actually received on my cell phone, but it is not showing the message here for any technical reason. I don't know why, but the message is this. You can see I have this on my phone, guys, and it is showing you hello demo name. You can read hello demo name. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Securities. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, and you can see here, if you can see, we got the body fields changed here automatically. Here it is showing hello demo name and thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Securities, and you can see the website address is also changed because we have mapped the data here like this in these fields. So that's how it is going to work, guys. And here you can see we got the security quotation file is also delivered, and from here only our customer can download the file, download the quotation, and here you can see this is the same file that we have created got delivered. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So our connection is working fine and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when any person is going to inquire about your services on your website, these messages will be delivered to that person automatically, and you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.